Hey y'all, and welcome back. We are on our way to do an accent wall at our cousin's house, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. I mean, why not? We will showing you exactly what we're gonna do, just in case you decide you want to do an accent wall. You will know what to do. First and foremost, when you get up in the morning, drink coffee. Y'all, we have made it to our location, so going in. So let me take you over to the space that we're going to actually be doing, and I'll let my honey explain what's going to take place.
First, I'm gonna box it off, rectangle, and then I'm gonna do the designs.
In addition, right above the fireplace is also going to have some accent walls. He's getting ready to box the wall off. He's going to take the slate that he has, and then he's going to make the design. So he's going to pencil off the design first, and then once he pencils off the design, then he'll know how much in material he's going to actually need, and then we'll go to the store and purchase the slates. So first things first is to mark off your area. We have made it to Lowe's, so we're getting ready to pick out the slats. I laugh when I say that because I always say it wrong, but I love home stores. This is what we want to go with. I have an affinity to the thicker ones, as long as it's not chipped or warped. Make sure you get you some liquid nail as well, because if you don't have studs, you're going to need to use some liquid nail to put up behind it. I did get some extra tape because we're going to need this to block off the area that we're going to spray, and then we're going to need to do this as well to make sure that when we spray, it doesn't go all over the house. First, you're going to need some wood glue. We ended up with this one, the white one, because we have the white one. Okay, everything we need?
Yeah.
All right, ready to go? All right, y'all, we do not own a truck yet. This is how we got it in. Ooh, child. We are back. I am tired. We ate. I got ice. So right here, I want you to keep in mind that when you make your 45-degree cut on your saw, your slat may not line up with the way that you drew your sketch on the wall. Perfectly fine, not a problem. Your design should still come out the way that you want it, so keep going. Lines just want to give you the diagram and the space in which you're going to work so that you know where you're going and you're going to put your plugs and things like that, okay? So don't be fearful if you get to doing this, you know, your lines begin to change just a little. And remember, you won't paint over all of this. So here I want you to see that you're using your liquid nail, because sometimes you may not end up directly where a stud may be in the wall. This is why you will need your liquid nail. So make sure you get everything on the list. And place that baby up on the wall. Nice and easy. Liquid nail helps it stay in place while you get your nails done. What we did was we added the caulking. Let me show you what the difference looks like. Right there, there's no caulking. And then if you can see under here, there's caulking. See, I got it all over my fingers because I have been working and working. Daddy has started this side. We're gonna end for today here shortly. We'll be back tomorrow to finish. Oh y'all, what's up? And for those of us that have never touched caulking before, a little goes a long way. Just make sure you use it sparingly. Make sure it is not clumpy on the wall, and you will be good. Hey, good looking. Let's talk about how today went. It is 6:27. The main wall is actually done for the most part. I think it's done. There's probably like a small bit of sanding that we need to do on that wall. We bought a total of 22. Okay, maybe I'm thinking that's what we should have bought. And we used all 22 with probably needing one more. But remember to do your draw out first, and then you can get your measurements of how much you actually need for your space. Babe, do you know how big this actual wall is? This main wall? So the wall is a 9 by 12. So you're probably looking at, what is 22 minus 4? That number. I'm thinking 18. Yeah, 18. These were $6.19 a piece because we bought them in bulk from Lowe's. That brought them down some, plus we had a military discount on top of it. And that was to include the tape and the drop and all that good stuff. And that was it. About 5 hours of time so far. And we'll be back tomorrow. And the little wall behind me still needs to be caulked, and the holes, did you feel the holes on that one, babe? Ooh, he was moving, so he filled the holes, and so we just need to caulk it, and then we'll sand it tomorrow when we come in, and then everything else will be ready to paint. So tomorrow should be a pretty light day. Sounds good? Hope so, because that's our day. Babe, you got anything you want to say?
Your boy tired.
We'll finish off the corners down there, so we just need one more and finish off with this right there. But that's it. Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning, and we are getting ready to head back down to our cousin's house so that we can finish what we started yesterday. Everything should be nice and dry. We're going to check for any discrepancies and make sure that it is ready to go. I know I do have to sand like the top portion of the wall, so Honey's going to finish his part on the wall over the fireplace, which is adding the rest of the slates where you saw that they were missing to finish off the pattern. And then right now he's at Home Depot. He's picking up some more caulking, because remember I told you how much to have yesterday. So make sure you have everything on hand so it saves you some time, so you don't have to worry about going back and forth to the store. That's the update for this morning. We'll link back up once we get to our location. All right, y'all, we coming in and checking the work from yesterday. Everything dried up really good, really good, really good. This side still has to be caulked, y'all. Gotta get the work. Hit it. If your cuts are a little bit more intricate, just make sure you take your time, because there is nothing like putting it up on a wall, getting the job all done, and then someone walks in and says, is that crooked? We don't want that. So that's what we're doing here, just making sure both of us are looking at it and seeing that the lines line up from one end to the other. Ooh. Get down on it. Get down on it. I know y'all can't see it from back there behind us, but this is what's going on this end of the spectrum. Boy, he really hit me all in the head with stuff. Ooh. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. That's it, that's all. Alright, y'all, so it's taped off. We're going to go and make sure we double check the top for any cracks and crevices. But once we do that, we come back, it's paint time. It's go time, baby. We gotta get some lunch. And then that is drying over there. And then we're gonna do the same thing, take that off. Then we come in, paint time, it's go time. We're done.
I'm like, maybe we can go right to the spot. See you with me tonight. Baby, come enjoy some me tonight. I'm to turn it up. Turn it up. Yeah, they come enjoy some me tonight. This shit is right now. If you done, baby, doing you talk. I make hits like every day. Okay, I got hits. I don't know where I found it. You looking for the boy, probably somewhere in a mountain. We up all night, first taking a shower. We up all night, looking at the hours. You ain't dropped none of your songs, you a coward. You get out about your zone, looking at hours. And nothing can come between us. What shares me is mine, if it's mine, then it's ours.
This is this final wall, y'all. I think it came out really, really nice. Me and hubby said this room looks better than ours, and we went ahead and put my cousin's furniture back in there because it's very nice furniture and it makes for a very good final shot. And then I'll go over and show you how the fireplace turned out. So this is the fireplace portion. My husband had to freestyle some of it because of the intricate cuts in the place that it is, but it is beautiful. What do y'all think? Boy, 2 days, 16 to 17 hours. We can say we are finally done. Today has been a long day. It was 6:15 when we left our cousin's house. We are getting ready to head home.
Got a lot accomplished. First time we did 2 walls in one day. Well, a wall and a half, but it still counts. Y'all go ahead and check it out.
Make sure y'all go back and check out another accent wall prior to this, which was in our own bedroom.